Hello, David Morgan here, and today we're going to go over a video of how to capitalize on our Workhorse project. And in the last video, this is actually like 12 hours afterwards, recording afterwards, and there was already, 26 visitors to the website, because of they referred to them by Facebook, and they are really. It could be the same person or whatever, but I don't care. It's just pretty cool that before, the day was up, it was already trying to get some traffic. So that's kind of cool. It's pretty neat. And all that. So here's the thing. We have our project here, right? Our California project. And for whatever reason, it's not showing. We created 500 posts, but it says we published, 100 plus posts and things of that nature. Um, so there's not an exact math or science as to why things are working the way they are. They just are. And so you just accept what's working and what's not. But if you cast a blanket over, if you cast a wide enough net, it'll do you some good. So hence the 500, because you want to make sure that everything is going to work for you. Also, let's see. So the thing I wanted to show you too is here I am in the Google Drive, because Google Drive is where a lot of the power is going to come from too. Because these are all what? These are all documents recreated by um, IFTTT, right? Because this is what we set up to do, right? We take a document, or for every post, create a document. Now, obviously, it's not going to do a video, but it still gets most of the document in there. So let me just show you what that looks like, and the value behind this, which is, which is that. Well, see, it didn't transfer that over, but that's fine. I don't care. So, I mean, that's that. To show you that this is going to take us straight back to the actual document, the actual post, which is good. And this is actually going to take us back to that's funny. That's pretty cool. So that doesn't even have to work anymore. So that's not going to work anymore. But this is fine, right? I like that I found out that I could actually violate a term. Specialized book content. Okay. All right. Great. So there's that. Now, at the same time, this is um, the spreadsheet, right? So I'm not sure how many articles here, or I don't know how many documents are here. 32. Okay. And this has us at, actually it's just 31, but this has us at 31 as well, but we say 30 because this is that one post that I was demonstrating you with in a previous video, and which is good, so here goes another set of video, or another set of links, that are also powering up your um, powering up your posts, okay, or they will be once Google starts indexing them. Now, here's what I like to do. Well, I just wanted to show you the recipes that this is actually working the way it's supposed to, kind of thing. So, yeah, there you have it. So one of the things I like to do is export a list of all posts and page URLs. So it's going to give me a text file, and then let's open it all up. Now that's all 500, right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this list, and first I'm going to do is create a spreadsheet, blank spreadsheet. Create and share because that's what we want to do. Custom deck builders here in California. So that's what I like to do there. And then I post all the way there, and it automatically starts linking them. Okay, which is really good. We'll just name this deck contractors for an extra keyword there, right? This is pretty cool. I mean, it's simple. It does a trick. It's a good trick. And then so that's done. There's a few things I like to do just to make sure that it's sharing like it should, which is that prevent and disable, right? And then so I'm gonna close that out. I'm gonna do this one more time, but we're gonna use Google Docs. And actually with Google Docs, what I'm also gonna do is put a little bit of content in there because you don't want it to just simply be dry. Like, oh, you just threw in links. And here we go. So I'm actually going to just put in Bill that me the links. Okay, good. That's all 500 of them. And then what you do is you highlight everything. And you link. There you go. So these are all backlinks once again. Now with the spread, or I mean with this, well with the spreadsheet you can do the same thing too. So custom deck builders, BNB in California. Now the reason why I'm doing near me is because they're still talking about near me in the sense of um, city-wise. Now, because we're targeting so many cities, it just makes sense to say near me. Actually, that's not a good thing to do right there. I wanted to do that, and then that, and do I got some notes for us? Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Hopefully I do. Gravy. Um, Copy. And insert an image. Now this seems a little bit industrious, but man, you got to realize what kind of power you're generating with using Google, because you know what's going to happen with your Google spreadsheet and your Google uh, document. It's going to pad your website a little bit. So this is why we're still doing it this way. Um, and Thrive products. No, where am I going? Oh yeah, because I'm in the wrong spot. Workbench, custom deck builders, content images. Doesn't necessarily matter. Okay, there we have it. And then let's check this out. Next thing we do it up here in this area. And yeah, center it. And then we're going to link. Now you would think I should link back to the website, but we got 500 links that are already doing that for us. But what I'm linking back to is this folder, because once Google kind of visits this website, or this page rather, it's going to link back to the Google Drive. And then, you know, this, remember there are 30 documents and there are 30 links inside the spreadsheet, right? Plus, there are 500 other links in another spreadsheet that we made up. So that's 530 links, so that we're going to have Google to revisit. I will eventually get Google to come back and visit this, and I'll show you how in a little bit. So, so we're done here. This is going to be a multi-part video because I don't want to take up too much time here. So I'm going to stop right here. And I just want you to realize and start exploding some possibilities. So subscribe to the video and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.